In this video, I will show you how to change Kingdom and KingShot. In order to change Kingdoms and KingShot, you first need to unlock the feature by leveling up enough. Once it becomes available, go to your profile, which is located in the top left corner of your screen. From there, go to your governor profile. In the bottom right corner, you'll find the settings menu. Inside the settings, select characters option, which is located right below the general option. Once you're in the characters section, you'll have the ability to create a new character, which allows you to choose a different kingdom. Two characters can be created per kingdom. When you press to create a new character, you'll see a list of available kingdom codes. Choose the kingdom you want to switch to. Keep in mind that your progress will be different for each character and each kingdom. Every character's development is tracked separately. That's how you change the kingdom and KingShot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.